already terrifying. It really does not help that we're on a moving truck.
Oh, that's awesome. What you doing?
What am I doing?
Turn that mic on, Dan. I want to hear your unadulterated scientific reasoning behind life. He gone. Why'd he leave? Bring your skateboard, you're gonna need it.
Yeah, apparently we're skating a truck.
I'm not starting until Dan turns that mic on.
Why you up all in my grill like that, player?
What? Yo, what is this? Trying to see the pores in my face? How do you turn this thing on?
Why y'all staring at me? I'm waiting. Testing. Testing. Hello? Okay, okay. For whoever has earphones, then editing this. Sorry, Dan.
Dan, I have an idea.
You're scaring me today.
You should be scared. Okay, what do you know about outer space?
Decent amount.
Give me something. Give me something good.
It's cold.
Sorry. What do you know about gravity?
It's cool.
What do you know about volcanic eruptions?
It's hot.
What do you know about the laws of physics? I can't do this anymore.
What is up, guys? My name.
All right, we're here for a very awesome skate experiment. Behind Aussie Dan, we have Darren. He is slow motion.
Hey, what's up, dudes?
Physics expert, and he's here today to blow all of our minds and show us some of the most incredible skateboarding physics in the slowest of all motions.
We're gonna see like relative momentum, dudes.
Okay, relative momentum. Can you should I look it up? Do you want to explain it?
All right, so if you were talking about space just a minute ago, right?
Yes.
We're on the Earth, right?
Oh my God.
Right, and right now it feels like you're standing still.
Yes.
But you're actually going at a ridiculous speed through space. You are just flying around the sun at a stupendous speed.
Right.
But because you were going at the same speed as the Earth, it has gravity that's keeping you here, you feel like you're standing still. So part of how we want to demonstrate that, right, is we want to have someone on a truck, the back of a truck, moving with the truck, do some tricks on the back of it, and it feels like you're doing it just on flat ground. But you're actually going 10, 15, 20, whatever miles per hour the car's going. And alternatively, right, if you just stand on your board, because friction's not gonna be as applicable when you have wheels that are allowing you to roll, if the truck takes off, but you are on wheels, you're gonna stay where you are basically, and you can do tricks off the back of the truck after the truck goes.
This is the same principle if you get in a car accident. If your car comes to a stop very fast, your body momentum keeps going and you launch out of a window unless you're wearing a seatbelt. So I hope you guys all wear your seatbelts.
Fun fact about those cars too, that's why cars crumple so much nowadays. It's because it absorbs that impact a lot more dramatically. Like the old cars that were just straight up steel and just super, super tough, they have that reputation for like old cars being so strong. That would just wreck everybody in the car. But now it like absorbs that impact a little bit.
Wow, well that was an amazing science lesson. That was awesome.
Science, yeah.
You know, I do have one major takeaway. I'm the fastest man on the earth.
Along with all of us, we're all the fastest people on the earth.
We are literally all the fastest people on the earth.
We're going so fast through space right now, it's ridiculous.
How fast are we going? Can I look that up real quick? Yeah. You know that first time you watched Interstellar? I just got hit with that again.
Yeah.
We're moving through space 67,000 miles per hour right now.
67,000 miles per hour?
Yes.
Sounds about right.
All right, we're getting way off topic here. My mind's getting blown. So let me show you to our build over here. I feel like I'm in a freaking live episode of Bill Nye the Science Guy. Should we skate with Bill Nye? Leave it in the comments below. This right here is our flatbed truck that we rented from Home Depot. They're not gonna be stoked that we're skating this, so no one let them know. We have our smallest box. You see the top of this flatbed is not very friendly for skateboarding wheels. We've eliminated any grip or anything like that. We have a perfectly smooth box that we got from the Braille house, and we will be conducting all of our experiments here. So what do we start with? It's the world's fastest kickflip. We have Mowgli do a kickflip on top of this going 50 miles an hour.
I'm not sure what you'd call this one, but it'd be a rad kickflip.
Mowgli, how fast are you willing to do a kickflip on here? Technically, if he does one standing still, he did a 67,000 mile per hour kickflip. Think about that.
Here's a funny question, right? Depending on which way, a funny thought anyway. Depending on which way you're doing the trick, you're either going a little faster than 67,000 miles per hour or a little slower.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're gonna, you might be going the reverse of where it's going, right? So.
Hurt my brain.
And if you think about it, that means that the speed limit on the road isn't 60 miles per hour.
It's really 67,065 miles per hour.
I just smashed my toe.
I think what we do is just get in the truck and start rolling around with Chris McNugget on top and see what happens. Or Mowgli, whoever wants to.
I mean, you already called it.
The whip is yours! seen that?
I don't know if I got
tossed
it.
those keys. He went, ah, caught him.
Take it easy, okay?
Hey, we're going for a ride now, fella. You heard? I'm on my truck.
Oh.
Woo! Check me out.
I don't trust this man.
Got my boys in the truck.
He's gonna be cooking.
You can't get on your skateboard, I'm assuming, until we have achieved the same momentum.
I'm on my
If you-
skateboard when we start.
Exactly.
I am gonna go.
You're gonna go. You're gonna stay in place, and the truck's gonna move. So we need to hold on until we are at a steady speed. Hey, let's give it like 5 miles per hour to start. All right, just a couple.
Well, the UPS just blocked us. He's like, nah.
There was this one time I was in high school. I was taking the bus home. You know when you're standing on the bus and they take off and you start like falling. You
Yeah.
gotta like hold on to something. She comes up to me and my friends. She's like, I see y'all falling around. And we're like, yeah. She goes, you know how you stay up straight? And I was like, no. She goes, stand, bend those knees, 45 degrees. And she goes, can't stand like this, 45 degrees. And we all did it, and we were like, okay, okay.
There's a lot going on in this video.
If you're driving regular, you do a kickflip as a kickflip. If the truck is driving backwards in reverse, is it a fakie flip?
Yes.
Yeah.
If I'm still and we're going backwards, it's fakey.
It's fakey.
It's fakey.
You know.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh god.
This is already terrifying.
Oh my god.
What was
I
that?
don't know. Let's whip it around. Hold up.
I wasn't ready. Man, you got cruise control on that thing? What if this box slides off? I didn't think about that either.
The relative momentum of a skate box on top of a truck. There's enough grip on there. All right, slow down, slow down.
Where are we at?
All right, go.
There's like a fat pothole over there that's gonna throw us off, dude.
Roll the window down,
The
Dan.
world is against us right now.
How fast you going right now?
Oh my god, dude.
All right.
I gotta hold on.
Oh my god. I'm not even skating, I'm scared. All right, just let it ride. Oh, it's working!
I'm so sorry.
Dan, are you okay?
Dude, I'm so sorry. That got me in the knee too, if that makes you feel any better. We got 2 tricks so far. That's like what, 5 miles an hour?
Oh my god! Oh my god, Chris.
Your shins are in danger too.
There's a bump coming. Oh my shin.
This is scary.
Oh! I wonder how crazy this looks. All right, hold on. Wait, don't gas it yet.
That sucked.
That's amazing.
I want to get that better real quick. One more round, if you guys don't mind. This is really fun. You don't get to do this every day.
I wonder if a police officer drives by, what he'll think of this.
It's probably illegal in some way, you know? Keep it there.
Home Depot is gonna be stoked. God. Hey, you were with us when we skated inside Home Depot.
Yeah, that was a lot of adrenaline. That was scary.
Oh.
I mean, I did some okay tricks.
Mowgli, you come give it a shot.
Yeah, we need some good flag.
When you're ready. Oh, dang, that was a kick. Can I go now? Yeah, you're good right now. Oh, whoa, that felt crazy. Woo! Yes. All right, I've been working on impossible. All right, hold on. All right, go, turn around. Nice day out. Since this is all about science, for all you anime lovers, Dr. Stone is literally on my top list because of, if you know, you know. All right. Getting a little speed here. Oh, I actually pushed. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh. We are limited on attempts. That was actually a good nollie flip. Oh! Heel flip right here. Oh! That felt crazy! What was that? I leaned back. Woo! Wow! Is it possible to be moving and skate? Impossible. Dang! Do you think you're gonna be able to do the one off the edge? Like jump off? Yeah. What? Yo, you stopped! That was sick. Hello, Dan. The man of the hour.
How fast are you gonna go? I saw this clip of you guys were going like 2 miles an hour.
Dude, it's sketch.
Is it?
I wish you were here. It'd be such a funny reaction.
Yeah, it's kind of sketchy.
This is for science mode. You need to hit the interstate.
The interstate?
That's what I said. Get on the freeway.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hello? Hello, Dan.
That's how fast our orbit is around the sun.
I'm gonna nose manual off.
All right, well, we are gonna get back to it, but say something to the video real quick before you go.
I'm so proud of you, Dad.
I'm not trying to.
Backing it up. Backing it up, fellas.
Is that the glow father?
The pressure's on.
3, 2, 1, go! Yo, that was so good.
Not good?
That was good. Let's go see it. Good?
I think so.
So crazy in slow motion like that, you can't even tell the truck is moving. Oh,
Right?
that's awesome.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to zoom out like middle of the flip.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and save that one and get a few
Cool.
more tricks.
Hey, this is all about the theory of relativity.
Hello. Good old Dan. You gotta love him.
You're up?
I think Mowgli's gonna go.
The pressure is on.
There's a lot of pressure.
There it is.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
I need like 12 tries. So much pressure. Because then we gotta back up. He's gotta set his camera. There's a lot to it.
Should we build a skate park there? Leave it in the comments below.
Please leave that in the comments below.
Oh.
Yeah, last try right
Since when have there been 2 palm trees back there?
here. It really does not help that we're on a moving truck.
No, not at all. Kind of makes it a little difficult,
A
huh?
little difficult, especially like in your peripheries or whatever. Peripherals, things are moving.
Oh my god.
It's super slow-mo, it's cool, you just cut it. I'll just do a good one.
Let's get one more.
You guys have faith in me.
Oh my gosh! That's a save. I want to see his face. Did you see his face? I want to see what happened to his face.
Yo, to be fair, there's so much wax on this. It looks like I'm about to fall off.
Oh my gosh. Dan?
You're like, no. Dang, that would have been a good tray.
Oh, you can see the movement too. That looks a lot better.
That would have been sick. I really want to get that.
Oh my gosh.
From that angle, it looks like I'm just flying off.
For sure, dude. You got this?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're okay.
I am too. God dang.
Starving over here, B.
Pressure's on again.
It is.
Oh, that's the one you wanted.
Yeah, it is.
That is the one you wanted.
Yeah, that felt good.
Nice.
The scoop was just like really quick.
3 flip. Perfect.
Take a look, take a look.
Thank God.
Go ahead and just save the whole thing.
I'm so glad it didn't take like 3 hours for me. I didn't
Yo, that looks crazy.
I didn't think the red pants and the green pants and the red shoes would look good, but I like it. Yes. Wow. Front foot catch. Woo.
that was so good.
Sick.
Wow. Save that.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Sick, dude.
Yes.
You can back on up, Glow. Hey, Glow, hit me on a few laps real quick.
Gabe Cruz, what are you about to do right now?
I don't like the scenario in which I'm in right now. It feels crazy. It feels like I'm just standing. Okay, now there's a little bump of acceleration right there.
I want to see you spin in circles.
Yo, this is the most terrifying thing I've ever done in my life, Chris.
Properly.
Holy! You can really see the momentum shifting too. Like if you look at the wheels, they're literally going, I'm correcting it, but they're fully rolling everywhere that that's scary. Completely legal. Woo. Oh.
That looks so cool.
Bro, it's the weirdest feeling ever.
I'm just been drunk.
Oh, I wasn't ready for that either. All right, let's get a steady speed going. Hit some 360s. All right. Oh wait, keep it going. After the crack though. No gas. I said no gas. I said no gas. Did you get that?
Okay.
Okay, well, I'm good. I'm gonna get off these now.
Oh, we're about to get run over by that truck. Well, get us out of here.
Woo! Yo, I saw my whole life flash from my eyes. You see that recovery though?
Yeah.
That's a moto kick
That
god
was-
right there.
That could have been really bad.
That was fun. Oh. Ha! Another 3 flip.
Yeah, we gotta get the wide angle shot.
Oh. Oh, damn. He's cooking.
That was bad. I got thrown off.
That was a good speed though.
That was the fastest we went so far.
That was a good speed.
What was that, like 15? Shh, it's like 15.
Yes!
One more? I mean, it was a pretty ugly tray flip anyways. Yes. Whose do I watch first? Oh, look at that.
Yeah, see, there's that whole reveal coming out from this end, and it goes to parallel with you.
Oh, that was good timing.
Yeah, that was perfect timing for when you're popping the whole thing.
Wow. I caught it. They look so much better in slow motion. Like when I
better in slow motion.
Yeah, when I do it, I'm like, okay, that one was okay, but it actually looked pretty cool. I'm happy with that one. Woo!
All right, now all we need is Mogs to do the roll off.
He's at Beijing Bull right now.
We'll be back in a sec. We're gonna do the scariest part now. The stationary, have Glow gas it, and then see if McNug can roll off the end safely. And Darren just told us that the way that the science works, when he lands, he's gonna be rolling fakie. Because he's gonna pick up some of the momentum from moving like this. Isn't that crazy? You know what you're doing? Gassing it. No, you got to.
You're my friends.
No, that's the experiment. Because you're gonna gather so much speed at first that he's just gonna roll off. The truck's gonna move and McNug's gonna stay right in the same spot.
Just know this is a F-150 and that's a human body.
Yo, give me a test of how you're gonna gas it real quick though. Like, go back.
I'm gonna save that as just an example.
I know.
Yeah, the board was going. He had to hold that in, otherwise it was gone. That's why I'm thinking it's gonna work. That was perfect.
It's just weird because like it's something new. I don't know how it's gonna feel. New experience. Are you flooring it or what?
Nah, not really.
Okay. Yeah, that was a good speed. That.
Ready?
Yeah. I don't even know. That just.
He didn't go fast enough.
That was just terrifying. Yeah, I felt like I was going too slow.
Yeah, he didn't.
I just got like a rush of a jump.
He hesitated on the gas. Yeah. He didn't go nearly as fast as that last time.
I thought too when I like put my foot on the truck, I thought I was done. Like that was a bad idea. That's such an interesting like experience.
Literally what happened? Yeah, you started rolling, but then you picked up momentum the same as the truck, and then you stopped.
I don't really like that, to be honest. I'm also gonna pull the box like off the end so I don't have to have that little lip to clear. This is worse than that time you guys had me launch up the Braille drop. That was like, this is worse than that.
What about being here with that camera on?
Like and subscribe and leave comments below for this, because this is terrifying.
You gotta go fast.
Alright, go!
Oh, damn!
Okay, that's not that bad. I'm ready to do it now.
Now you know.
Yeah.
Now you know what it's like.
That feels so weird.
Drive my friend off the back going fast.
It was good though. Alright, go! Oh my god. I thought I had it, but then it just didn't work. Last one, go! Well, that was it. I tic-tacked a little bit, but go! It's so weird. Yeah, don't.
That was almost it.
It's tough.
Yeah.
That is satisfying. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that was fun. That's just a different feeling. Like no other feeling is like that. Yeah, that was solid. The way I just like am floating in air. I got a little lift too on that.
I was wrong.
Sick. Woo! That was tight, man.
I'm happy with that.
Now we just gotta get that one last tray for you.
I need water.
Wow, what a tray flip! I think that was good.
What a process, right? But with anything too, Elon started off with PayPal. Look at him now.
Well, that science just blew my mind. A huge thanks to Darren for filming slow motion for us. If you want to check out his YouTube channel.
I got a skate channel now called Skapo, and I'm gonna be doing all kinds of videos on the physics of skateboarding. So that is probably one of the best places to check out my skateboarding content. And then also my Instagram is Skate Physics. So just S-K-A-T-E Physics on Instagram. I'm gonna be doing all kinds of slow-mo breakdowns, and I'm gonna really get into the science of how skateboarding works. So it'll be good.
Check him out and get your mind blown. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys should learn how to skateboard because as you can see, it is so much fun. You have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.
Can we get out of the sun now?